In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the menu in an Odoo website. Odoo is a powerful suite of business applications, and understanding how to customize your website menu can greatly enhance user experience. So, let's dive in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you want to head over to the Odoo website. You can easily find this by searching Open Source ERP and CRM, Odoo online, or directly visiting their site. Once there, it's time to log in, so you'll want to click on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your Odoo dashboard. Now, the dashboard is where you can manage most of the elements of your Odoo setup. From the dashboard, navigate to the Websites section. Choosing this option allows you to view and manage all the websites associated with your Odoo account. Within this section, you should see an option labeled Site. Clicking on Site will take you to where you can view and start managing your website's structure. Once you're in, the next step involves accessing the menu editor. The menu editor is a crucial tool as it lets you modify the layout and options your visitors will see when navigating your site. You'll find this option readily available once you've accessed the site section. Simply click on the menu editor to start customizing. The menu editor in Odoo is intuitive, allowing you to add, remove, or modify menu items to suit your needs. It's important to make these changes with your audience in mind. Consider what options will be most useful for them and how best to organize these options. Perhaps you want to highlight a specific product or page. You can easily do this by creating a dedicated menu item that redirects visitors directly to that part of your site. Once you've made your edits, be sure to save your changes. Remember, the look and feel of your website play a significant role in how users perceive your brand. A well-organized menu not only facilitates easier navigation, but also improves overall user engagement. Take some time to plan out your menu's hierarchy and content. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to editing the menu in your Odoo website. Don't be afraid to experiment with different menu structures until you find what works best for your site. If you encounter any issues, Odoo's community forums or support center can be valuable resources for troubleshooting and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!